Before the discussion, like he asked or like he told you or something? I just don't know what he's talking about. Pex ring?
Huh?
What's he talking about?
I have no idea.
He said something about a pex ring, putting a pex ring underneath or some kind of ring on there to stop it. I don't know.
I don't know. All I know is I'm doing what I've always seen him do, what I've always done. The most he'll do is yell at me. It's all good.
Alright, I mean, yeah, I didn't even understand.
Alrighty. So what I'm doing is putting in the lines. So y'all can see up there. The line will run down and connect to your lines that are coming in. I don't know what y'all can see actually. Here, let me do this. Let me turn this around. Ha! Alright. So we're connecting these because we're putting in complete new water lines for our customer. For those of you that have older houses and they don't have a vent, this is the best thing to get. I'm gonna help vent your whole house. My glasses are fogging up. All right. Hey, you got a cutter over there? Yeah. I'm gonna need it. I'll go get it right now. Hold on. I am starting to sweat so much my glasses are fogging up. It's so gross. Alright. Let's see. This one is my colder line. This is my hot line. Please tell me I did not cut this shit. Son of a bitch. Oh, dude, fuck around. There we go. There we go. Push you up, bring you down. Oh, something's on my back. You always have to make sure it's long enough to where it can go in. And then your ferrule goes in that. Your ferrule is just this plastic piece right here that helps seal it. I don't know about y'all, but I have a problem with righty tighty and lefty loosey. I always have. You guys, there is shit in here. I'm not gonna. Oh, my nose. There is shit in here y'all don't even want to see. Like my glasses are fogging up again. Not you. Alright. I'm just gonna cut that right there. Ah! I'm putting my hands in shit, you guys. Sometimes these ferrules are shitheads. They don't want to get in. Oh, I can't afford to fuck this one up. Mess it up, fuck it up. Take your pick. See how my brain starts. Come on. Oh, see if your ferrule's not all the way down. It will not catch. There we go. Oh, I'm tired. Why don't you want to catch, you turd? Come on. Yeah. Why will it not catch? Why is it jumping? Clockwise is tight. And then if you don't hold this just right, it won't catch. And that's just with any bolt and screw. Oh! This shit's got a million. I thought you were Bill. I was like, I'm almost done. My glasses are fogging up, you guys. And you want to tighten this.
You got the impact?
I don't have the impact. It's in the box, in that the green bucket outside by the van.
And the what? Green bucket?
Green bucket by the, or the gray bucket. I'm sorry, it's not green, it's gray. See, once it's tight, it'll turn. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Ooh. And that, our new water lines put in. All right, see y'all later.